is up, Remodelites? I'm Dave with Remodel Media, and in this video, we're going to jump into the shower. There are 1,001 different configurations of shower technology, shower faucets that you can do in your shower. Different brands, different styles, different finishes. And it's important as a homeowner to know what those pieces of technology are, what they're going to do for you, and why you might or might not want to use them. Now, almost all of us have seen a single handle tub and shower configuration, something like this. What we're looking at here is the Kohler Forte tub shower set. The way this works, it's not unlike many other showers where you turn it on, you find your temperature, and that's it. There's no flow control. It's only a temperature adjustment, and that's it. It's either on or it's off. That's referred to as a pressure balance technology. Now, pressure balance just means that it equalizes the pressure between the hot and cold lines. Now, there's a lot of folks that don't find that acceptable, so they want a shower where they can control the temperature and the pressure separately. They can adjust the pressure up, they can adjust the pressure down as needed. A typical pressure balance valve is usually going to flow around 8 to 10 gallons per minute. So the next step would be to look at a thermostatic setup. Now, a thermostatic setup is something like this from Sigma. So this valve controls your temperature. This valve controls the pressure to a shower head. This valve controls the pressure to the hand shower, and that's pretty awesome. Now, here in California, this system is technically not up to code. The reason this is not up to code is you can turn on two functions at once with this system. Other parts of the country don't have the drought problems that California traditionally has. So in some cases, a valve like this would be a thermostatic to adjust your temperature, a flow control or volume control to adjust the flow of the water, and then a third handle up here to divert from the shower head to the hand shower. Something like this setup here, where you have a thermostat, volume control, and a diverter to go from the shower head to the hand shower. Now, there's some folks who are going to look at systems like this and say, Dave, that's a lot of stuff to put on my wall. I mean, I've only got like a 3x4 shower. I don't want a human car wash. Not a problem. We can actually do something called a stacked valve, where all the controls are actually located on one valve. Now, the first stacked valve I ever learned about was the Hansgrohe valve with integral diverter. Now, there are other companies that have come out with it since, but the way they all work is you have a thermostatic mixer, you have a diverter that goes from shower head to your hand shower, or your shower head to your tub spout, and as you rotate to the left, you activate one function, and this action increases the pressure, and then as you rotate to the right, it activates the secondary function, and as you rotate, it increases the pressure. That includes a built-in thermostat, diverter, and volume control, all on one plate, and it installs in the same area as a traditional pressure balance valve. Cuts down on installation costs, and in general, it makes it so you have all the same functions, but at a more affordable price range. Brizo has one too. Now, they've done it a little differently, where they have the temperature, they have pressure, and a diverting action to go from shower head, hand shower, possibly even a tub spout, if that's what you want to do. Now, it's important to note, Hansgrohe has a limitation. They can only control two functions, whereas Brizo, you're able to control three. So you may remember in a previous video I mentioned Brizo by name, and specifically I talked about different kinds of faucets, and I mentioned that every faucet you pick has a matching shower component. That's an important detail because what I'm showing you today is just the technology. The style, the finish can be any finish you want, any style you want, and the important thing is to match it back to the faucet that you end up selecting. So there you have it. Those are your 3 basic types of shower valve technology. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below what type of technology you have in your shower, or what do you want to put in your shower. And as always, links are in the description below. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Click here to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.